The
called a
next question is
behavioral
called a
interview
behavior
question.
interview
Tell me about a
question. Tell
time
me
you
about a
worked
time
on
you
a
work on
team.
a team.
Obviously, this question is
Obviously, this
assessing
question is
teamwork
assessing
and
teamwork
collaboration.
and
I recommend
collaboration.
you
I
use
recommend you
the
use
STAR method
the
to
STAR method
structure
to
your response:
structure your response.
situation, task,
Situation,
action,
task,
and result.
action, and
Here is
results.
my
Here
top
is my
scoring
top
example
scoring
answer in
example
a real
answer in
interview.
a real
Tell me
interview.
about a time you've
Tell me
worked
about
in a
the time you
team.
work on a team.
I worked on a
I
team
work
in my
on a
last
team
role
in my
whose
last role whose
responsibility
responsibility was
was
to
to launch a new
launch
company
a
product.
new company
Our
products.
task
Our
was to
task
work
was
closely
to work
together using
closely
our strengths
together using
to
our
achieve
strengths to
the best
achieve
sales
the
for the
best sales
company.
for the
We
company.
held a
We
team
held
meeting
a
to
team
discuss
meeting to
ideas.
discuss our
I
ideas.
suggested
I
promoting the
suggested
product
promoting the
online
product
using
online,
targeted
use
social media
targeted social
adverts,
media
and
adverts,
others on the team
and others on
suggested
the team
offering
suggested
loyal customers
offering
a
loyal
discount
customers a
code.
discount
At
code.
the end of the team
At the
meeting,
end of the
we
team
had
meeting,
7
we had
powerful
seven
ideas
powerful
that our
ideas
manager
that our
approved.
manager approved.
After allocating
After
tasks
allocating
based on
tasks
each other's
based
strengths,
on each
we
other's
set to
strengths,
work
we set to
launching the
work
product.
launching the
And the
products,
launch
and
was
the
a brilliant
launch was a
success.
brilliant
We
success.
achieved
We
a
achieved a
70% increase
70%
on the
increase
company's
on
previous
the company
best ever
previous
product
best
launch,
ever product
which was a
launch, which
testament
was a
to the team's
testament to the
dedication
team's
and
dedication
hard work.
and hard work.
That level of
That
response is
level of
going to get
responses
you
is going
hired.
to get you
Here is
hired.
the
Here
STAR
is the
method
STAR
script
method
for you to
script
write
for you to
down.
write down.
Tell me about a
Tell me
time
about
you
the time
worked
you
on
work
a
on a
team.
team.
I worked on a
I
team
work on a
in my
team
last
in my
role
last
whose
role whose
responsibility was to
responsibility
launch
was
a
to
new company
launch a new
product.
company
Our
product.
task
Our
was to
task
work closely
was to work
together
closely
using our
together
strengths
using
to
our
achieve the
strengths to
best sales
achieve the
for the
best
company.
sales for the company.
We held a
We
team
held
meeting to
a team
discuss
meeting to discuss
ideas. I
ideas.
suggested
I
promoting the
suggested
product
promoting the
online
products
using
online
targeted
using
social
targeted
media
social
adverts,
media
and
adverts,
others on the
and
team
others on the team
suggested offering
suggested
loyal
offering
customers a
loyal
discount
customers a
code.
discount code.
At the end of the
At the
meeting,
end of
we had
meeting,
7
we have
powerful
seven
ideas
powerful
that
ideas
our manager
that our
approved.
manager approved.
After allocating
After
tasks
allocating
based on
tasks
each other's
based on
strengths,
each other's
we set
strengths,
to
we
work
set to
launching the
work
product.
launching the
The
products.
launch
The
was a
launch
great
was a
success.
great
We
success.
achieved
We
a
achieved a
17% increase
70%
on the
increase
company's
on the
previous
company
best ever
previous
product
best ever
launch,
product
which was a
launch, which
testament
was a
to the
testament
team's
to
hard
the
work
team's hard
and
work and
dedication. The
dedication.
next question